Hey everyone, imagine you're about to reverse your car, but suddenly the transmission refuses to engage reverse gear. You scan for trouble codes and P0926, gear shift reverse actuator control circuit low pops up. This means your car's reverse gear actuator isn't getting enough voltage, which can prevent your vehicle from shifting into reverse. In this video, I'll show you where the sensor is located, what causes this problem, and how to fix it. Let's dive in. What is DTC-P0926? DTC-P0926 is related to the reverse gear shift actuator, which controls how your car engages reverse. When this circuit has low voltage, the actuator may not function correctly, leading to shifting problems. Common symptoms of P0926. If your car has this code, you may notice: car won't go into reverse, delayed or rough engagement in reverse, check engine light or transmission, warning light on, jerking or slipping when shifting into reverse, clicking noise from the transmission. Sensor and component location, very important. To diagnose P0926, check these key components. Reverse gear shift actuator or shift solenoid. Location, typically inside the transmission housing, near the valve body. Some models have it mounted externally on the transmission casing. Function, controls fluid pressure to engage the reverse gear. Transmission Control Module or TCM. Location, usually near the engine bay fuse box or inside the dashboard. Function, regulates the signals sent to the reverse gear actuator. Reverse light switch for manual transmissions only. Location, located on the transmission case near the shift linkage, wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the reverse gear actuator TCM and fuse box. Function, ensures proper voltage and signal transmission. Tip, if your reverse lights don't turn on, it could indicate an issue with the reverse light switch or wiring. What causes P0926? Here are the most common reasons this code appears. Faulty reverse gear actuator. If it's malfunctioning, it won't apply enough hydraulic pressure. Damaged wiring or loose connections. Corroded or broken wiring can cause low voltage in the control circuit. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A blown fuse in the transmission circuit can disrupt power to the actuator. Defective TCM. If the TCM fails, it may not send the right signals to engage reverse. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty or low fluid can cause hydraulic failures, leading to shifting issues. How to fix P0926. Follow these steps to fix the issue. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Ensure fluid levels are correct and not contaminated. Step 2. Inspect the wiring and connectors. Look for frayed, corroded, or loose wires at the reverse gear actuator and TCM. Step 3. Test the reverse gear actuator. Use a multimeter to check voltage at the actuator connector. Step 4. Check the fuses and relays. Inspect the fuse box for any blown fuses related to the transmission. Step 5. Scan and reset the code. After making repairs, use an OBD-II scanner to clear the code and test reverse gear function. Final words. Ignoring P0926 can leave you stuck without reverse gear. Checking the reverse gear actuator, TCM, wiring, and transmission fluid can help you quickly fix the issue. For more troubleshooting and fixes, check out these videos, P0718 and P0719.